Hello, I just picked up this Velo 9 CCVL820 bike computer off of Amazon, and I'm going to open it up and see what comes with it. So actually the computer piece is actually a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be, which is great. It comes with a clip and a sensor, looks like. Some more wiring. And some instructions. Hopefully they're in English. Looks like they're in Japanese here. And I do not see English, so we might have to play around with it and see how it works out. And that's basically all that comes with it. I peeled off the little plate on the front, the sticker, and it has time on it. It has, looks like where this gets clipped into. Set it up together and see how it works on my bike indoors. Alright, after opening everything up and going through the plans, it looks like we actually got zip ties. This cord is actually rather short, and we get a little, probably a magnet here which triggers the sensor. It looks like this is actually made for the front part of the bike, not the rear, which is actually a little issue for me because I was doing on a stationary bike on a stationary stand. So it looks like this piece gets inserted somewhere along the railing. So when this magnet gets attached to the spokes and it spins by, that's when the sensor will read it, and that's when it'll pick one revolution up. That's the sensor here. So I might have to mount this on the towards the back. I'm probably not going to be able to see it, but it should still work. So I will set it up and we'll go from there. I tried using the QR code on the actual instructions, and it came up the same thing as in Japanese, so that wasn't much help. So I ended up doing a search, and I went to this website for the company. Let's see if I can get it in here good. It's cateye.com, and then you just search for your product, and we're looking at the Velo 9. And you can just scroll down. It gives you more information about it. And then it gives you manual. Click on manual. And then it asks you what you want. You want it in English. So I clicked on PDF in English. And we got the manual. This is great. So it's basically, it just shows you how to put it on, how to attach it. It's pretty straightforward. And then it shows the setup part. There's buttons on the back to set and reset, and there's the one main button on the front you toggle through, and you just toggle through like a lot of simple electronics. You just toggle through the options and click to set. And now we will get it on the bike. I've finished installing it on the bike. It was long enough actually to get the cord all the way up to the beginning here. If you can see it, the light's not the best. But this just clips on. There's a little clip in here. I had to put it on the back. And the sensor, and there's a line on the sensor here where the magnet here must line up with the middle of it, and as it passes, that's where you get the reading from. So hopefully this video was helpful. Please subscribe. Thank you for that. Appreciate it.